Steve, the infrastructure and the equipment we see behind you, a lot of folks will see this out and about in the real world. But to be honest, a lot of folks won't understand what it is and what it's doing. What have you got here?
Okay, yes. Good morning, and thanks for stopping by. So here on this entire pole, we have products and technology that allows us to improve the reliability of distribution networks. So what we have here is our traditional Siemens recloser. This is called the Siemens SDR. And what we have here is a typical triple single arrangement where we have 3 single phases that allows a utility to improve the reliability of their network where they have single phase loads.
Okay.
So this is rated up to 38 kV.
Right.
And 800 amps. And we have here connected with it Schweitzer control that allows us to control the SDR using a Schweitzer relay.
Okay.
And we also have the ability to connect with a range of Siemens relays as well.
Okay. Would this be, is this like a mini substation, or how would you term this?
No, this is based at this is mounted at the base of the pole. It's a control.
Okay.
It's a control relay that's outside the substation. So this is outside the substation fence.
Right.
This is used by utilities who want to be able to see more of their network and get better visibility of what's going on the network outside the substation.
Okay. So hence it's mounted on the pole here and then here. Okay.
Yeah, that's the idea of that. So that's sort of our highest rated piece of equipment. So that's up to 38 kV, 16 kA, 800 amps continuous current. And then we have here our compact recloser. So this is a new addition to the Siemens range. So this is the Siemens compact modular recloser. Right. And this is rated up to 27 kV.
Yeah.
And 12.5 kA and 630 amps.
Okay.
So this is intended to replace the hydraulic reclosers that are in the network today, with the advantage to a utility who's facing wildfire risk conditions.
Okay.
This allows them to take the oil out of their network and replace it with a solid dielectric alternative.
Okay, so the whole fuel,
that's right,
creating a fire risk goes away.
Yeah, that's right. But the key advantage for a utility with this is that it's voltage powered.
Yeah.
So we have here a voltage powering stack. Most alternatives on the market today are current powered, but Siemens has a patent on the voltage powering capability of this CMR, and this CMR is the only option on the market today that's voltage powered. So
okay.
That's a significant advantage for any utility. This here is Siemens Fuse Saver. It's one of our leading edge technologies that's of particular interest to utilities who are having challenges around wildfires, and also utilities that significantly want to improve significantly their reliability.
Right.
So this Fuse Saver is rated up to 27 kV, and it's self-powered off as little as half an amp. So it weighs 12 pounds, but it is a very capable device in that it's able to trip in less than 1 cycle.
Okay.
All the settings, it's a fully integrated device, so all the settings are inside the unit itself. And then what enables a lot of its capability is the communications module.
So it's IoT enabled, for
That's
want of a better word.
Exactly right. So this has inside it a short-range radio, it has a rechargeable battery, and it also has the ability to power the unit should the current drop below the half-amp minimum. In addition, it allows the line crews to operate the device using either open or close.
Right.
And it also has a fault passage indicator here with the LED that allows a line crew to be able to patrol the line and see whether there's been a fault passing through the device.
If the red light is flashing,
that's
there's
right,
something to go and look at.
That's right. They know to carry on and look downstream. So this is a very important part of the system. So that so that's part of the Fuse Saver. And with the communications inside this communications module, the Fuse Savers can communicate to each other. So there's peer-to-peer communications to allow it to do triple single functionality, some 3-phase functionality, and also synchronous open and close. So for any utility that's struggling with ferroresonance, the ability to push a button on one unit and synchronously open and close all 3 units is of particular interest.